An easy way to replace a saddle valve on copper pipe is with a push-fit T-valve. Turn off the water. Remove the saddle valve by unscrewing the two bolts. You're going to have a hole where the valve was. Cut out the section of pipe for the new valve. Check the recommended insertion depth and mark the pipe. Use a tubing cutter on copper pipe for a clean cut. A straight cut is important for a secure connection. Deburr the end of the pipe to protect the O-ring. For this project, I added a shutoff valve above the new T-valve. Push the valve onto the pipe fully. This valve has a clip to lock it onto the pipe, and the valve can be rotated after installation. Use a tubing cutter to remove the old compression sleeve. Put the nut for the valve over the tubing and add a compression sleeve. Fully insert the tubing into the valve, then tighten the nut.